Wash your hands, wash your hands. Everybody wash your hands.
You feel a little tinkle, feel a little poo. You try to make it happen. That's what big kids do. You do the potty pokey, then you wipe your fresh away. That's how we potty today. Potty pokey! You pull your undies down, you sit upon the seat. You try to use the potty and keep your pants all neat. You do the potty pokey, then you wipe and flush away. That's how we potty today. Potty pokey! Wrap some toilet paper, wipe from front to back. Make sure you're clean and tidy so nothing's out of whack. You do the potty pokey, then you wipe and flush away. That's how we potty today. Potty pokey! You turn the water on, you scrub your hands up right with soap and lots of bubbles. Make them clean and bright. You do the potty pokey, then you dry them all the way. That's how we potty today. Potty pokey!